So how to generate Amazon affiliate product link? Suppose you want to generate this product affiliate link, so you have to press on this product, and then you can see top right corner Amazon associate site stripe. So you have to press on text, and then you can copy generate your link. Suppose this is full link and this is short link, just copy and put it in your website or WordPress. So if this bar is not available on your Amazon, then you have to go your Amazon associate account, and then you have to go your tools and site stripe. Then you can see this kind of interface. So you have to press on learn more option, and then you have to enable it. So if it's disabled, then you don't able to see this kind of bar. So you have to enable it and check mark those bar also. Then you can easily generate any kind of any product short link or full link from here. So this is how you can easily generate Amazon associate product link. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.